Hi, this is Dr. Raj Kirit from Celesti Skin Laser and Hair Clinic. We practice in Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Today I am going to talk about how to stop hair loss naturally. So for that, you have to understand that the reasons of hair fall is important for us. What are the reasons for hair fall? We have to understand, technically it is called as androgenetic alopecia. The baldness is called as androgenetic alopecia. So what are the components over there? Androgenetic alopecia. Andro means the DHT hormone, that is the dihydrotestosterone. Genetic means you are genetically prone for that. Alopecia means baldness. So what is the genetic reasons? Either your father or your uncles, paternal or maternal uncles, or your grandfathers, or even your great grandfathers can also have this kind of genes. So they can be transferred to us, and then you can have this prone to baldness. So once you are prone to this baldness, the DHT has an impact on this. Now what are the other factors apart from the hormones and the genes which matter for the increase of baldness? The most important thing is your lifestyle, how bad the lifestyle is. Okay, whenever we are saying lifestyle measures, most important thing is about the sleep timings, the duration, and then of course the eating time, and then of course the de-stressing mechanisms, and then importantly the nutritional aspects, and the other part is the hormonal aspect. Now we will talk about the lifestyle. When is a person supposed to sleep? At least by 10 p.m. you are supposed to go to bed, and whether you wake up in the morning at 4 a.m. or 6 a.m. or 8 a.m. it doesn't matter. 10 hours of undisturbed sleep can give you better results for your hair fall. It is a kind of stressful situations when you don't sleep in time. That is very important for us to understand. And the eating habits, the timings are very important. When you eat, one day you eat early in the morning, the other day you skip your breakfast, the other day you eat your breakfast at 12:31. It's like irregular habits. Your body is under stress, the hair fall will continue. So it is very important for us to have your meals at regular times, at regular intervals. So if you are eating breakfast by 8 or 9, make sure that it is on dot at that particular hour. And then of course 1 to 2, yes. And then of course dinner before 8 or 9, that's very good. So a healthy eating timings are very important. And then of course the de-stressing mechanisms. You should choose certain hobbies, you should choose your own passionate things, what you are de-stressing yourself apart from your work and your other emotional stresses. And then essentially you should understand that yoga, meditation can definitely help your hair fall. It can be even sports as well. So you can definitely work out and definitely have better results with hair fall. So now coming to the nutritional status. What are you supposed to take in your daily food? That's a very important thing. Now in my experience, I have seen many patients who had actually taken very good diet, a healthy, balanced, fresh diet, and got very good results with the hair fall. I have been suggested to take sprouts, soya bean chunks, glass of milk, dry fruits like pista and anjeer, and then of course the fresh fruits like guava, pomegranate, and then of course the plantains, the bananas, the apple, avocados, guava, and all those things. If a person is vegetarian, then it's good that they can take green salads and ragi malt, and if they are non-vegetarians, we advise them mutton liver and fish. And that too, mutton liver and fish, you can take it once in a month, not beyond that, because it's red meat again, it can cause some other health issues. So once in a month of mutton liver and fish definitely helps your hair. Now the other factors are the hormonal issues. Now that is a very common problem that we see, that is because of thyroid and PCOS. Now men and women, both of them can have thyroid issues. So when they have thyroid issues, or when they are genetically prone, like one of the family members has thyroid, they can get the thyroid screening done once every year. So with that they can just detect the thyroid and they start doing it. Now how to prevent thyroid? You just have to do your exercises and workouts regularly. That will definitely help you with your thyroid issues. And the PCOS is seen in women. This is indicated with irregular cycles, and of course you have to understand that there could be some amount of hair growth on your other parts of the body and you're losing hairs on your scalp. So these are indications for PCOS, and cycle disturbances can be there. So when you have PCOS, you need to work out, lose the weight, and you have to be fit, and then of course the other medicines and everything can work. So this is all about how to stop your hair fall naturally and what are the reasons for it. In the next videos, I can give you more information about it. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.
बंदासन धीरे से अपनी बॉडी को आगे लेके आइए. Try to keep your forehead down.